Hello everyone, I'm Noki. Welcome to an episode of GSTV. Today I'm out here on the flat as usual. Right here is Boca Ciega Bay fam off of Oyster Jetty. We're gonna test it out. Got some live bait today, some pinfish, got some mahara, mainly pinfish. So the setup today, I go real light today fam. 2500 diver on a medium moderate 10-pound braid, 20-pound lead with size 1/0 J hooks with 3/8 Carolina modified Carolina rig. So stay tuned, see what this flat area have to offer fam. So here you go fam, I got some nice side pinfish right here fam. From the hook from the top, right there. Let them go out fam. So I guess they want pinfish now. We here made with the grunt. This is the best bait for redfish right here. Make noise. Noise. Let's bring in the redfish. Come on. Oh yeah fam. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. They don't want a pinfish, but they want a grunt, huh? Oh yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on, fam. Sun about to set. They want a pin. They want a grunt. Uh-huh. Oh yeah. Easy. Woo! Woo! Y'all hear that, fam? Woo! Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Yeah. 10-pound braid, 20-pound lead, size 1/0 J hook on the grunt. Oh fam, look at that pole fam. Woo, woo fam. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, here we go. Wait for the sunset. Incoming tide. Oh, come on, come on fam. Don't want to horse them. Woo. You hear that fam? Oh my god. Come on. Come on. Come on fam. Let's do this. Come on. Woo. The way he pull, you feel like it's gonna be oversized, but we'll see. We'll see. It's getting close. Oh my god. 2500 diver. We're light today. Ooh. Ooh. Woo. Come on. Oh, come on. Come on. Woo. Oh, yeah. Come on, fam. Let's do this. Oh, man. I hope it's a slot. I hope it's a slot. But the way you pull, it feel like it's going to be oversized. But we'll see. We'll see, fam. It's coming in. Little by little. Come on. Oh yeah. I see the tail. I see the tail flashing. Woo. Come on, fam. Come on. You want to get on the shore? Let's go walk on shore then. Oh man. Open water. Come on. Boca Ciega Bay. Is that Ray? Hope it's not Ray. Hope it's not Ray. I hope it's not Ray. Oh, it's red. It's red. I see the tail. Ooh. 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 Come on. Slowly. Slowly, fam. Right here. Right here. Just want to go on the side to side. Try to get away. Woo! Beautiful red. Beautiful red. Woo! Beautiful red, fam. Beautiful red. Beautiful red. Come on. Only grunt I have. I guess I didn't want pinfish. Only grunt I have. Woo! Oh my god. Oh my god, it's still going. Oh my god. Oh my god. Come on. Open water. We're gonna go. Come on. Just hang on. Hang on. Look like big boy. Look like big boy. Look like big boy. Oh my god. Big boy. Come on. Come on. Oh my God, that's big. This is a stud right here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. I got this. Got this. Still going at it. 4 minutes going at it. Still going at it. Come on. Come on, fam. Come on. Sunset. Can't get better than this. Fall light, salt light on the flat, catching red on the sunset. Oh, fam. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Oh my God. Oh my God. Still going. It's still going. Oh my God. When you get close, it's take off. When you get close, it get take off. Oh man, this gotta be 30 plus right here. Who knows, might be 40. Who knows? Oh my God, it's just pulling away. Oh, look at my pole, fam. Woo. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's get it back. Let's walk back on shore. Come on, walk back on shore. Come on. Walking backward, fam. Come on. Come on. Let's walk it back to the shore. Oh, come on. Oh. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh. Oh. Come on. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, man. Let's walk on the shore. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ooh. I don't know. Might be overslot on this one. Come on. Oh, that's big. That is big. That is big. Big, beautiful red. Look at that. Woo! Woo, fam. Look at that beautiful red, fam. Woo! Look at that. Look at that. Oh. Oh, fam. Oh. Got him good too. Got him good too, fam. Got him good too. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Woo. Come on, fam. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh yeah, Gunshine TV. This might be the biggest red on Gunshine TV. Woo. Got him good too. Corner's mouth. Come on. Come on. Come on. Big. Big. Woo. Come on. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, fam. Look at you. Look at you. Beauty. Oh my God. That's beautiful, fam. That is beautiful, fam. Woo. Woo. That is beautiful. Woo. Look at that, fam. It's got to be 40 inch right here, fam. Come on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that, fam. Look at that red. All right, fam. From the 0 all the way down to 34 inch. 34 inch and a half redfish. Whoo. Big beast. Big beast. All right, it's time to go back, baby. Thank you. Yeah, baby. It's time to go back. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Thank you for the catch. Woo. 35 inch redfish, fam. Woo. This is a breeder right here. Woo. Nice, beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful, fam. Look at that red. Yeah. Yeah. All right. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Woo. Yeah, fam, it came out and crushed it. That's what I'm talking for the big bull reds. I apologize, and I upload for a couple weeks now. Been busy with life, fam. I apologize for that. Hope you enjoyed this video. You like the video, please hit the thumbs up button. If you ain't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Hit the bell for notification. Again, I'm Noki. This is Gunshine TV. I'm out.